Okay. This is a teaser response here. I'm going to try to make this video quick. No guarantees, because I tend to gamble. I always do. So, it's going to be posted on the 4th. No, but, oh, up. See, I went, it's Alex Elevator Comic Book Day, and which was the first Saturday in May, which was May 3rd. And I got a few comics. Bookstore that I went to, um, yeah, the comic store I went to, like, you get free comics when you go in. If you had a library card, or, you kept dressed up, and I think maybe one more, sometimes you could get more than one comic. I did not get, I did not dress up, nor did I have a, library card. I did get my free comic, which is a Marvel comic. And ironically, this is the only Marvel thing I have, because I am a DC Go comic person. So yeah, I don't read Marvel comics. I just thought, why not change and read things, and this is what I got myself. So if you comics, why not? I got to, wait, so the comic book store was also selling, like, had these, long cardboard box things that had, like, rows of, like, comics for, like, most of them for $1. So everything, I was like, oh, why not? And I mean, this another person I went with to go get the big comics book, and I was like, hey, well, look at the yeah. So I thought this one is Pink Atlantis from, like, Aquaman, which features, well, Gaston, the Suicide Squad. I saw Harley, and I'm like, why not? And the person I went with, he's probably going to see this. They'll found me this one because he knows I have Suicide Squad comic books. This is a book. And I have Harley on it and everything. And I look my Harley. I am tired. I am tired. And I thought that was like other events like stores and everything else. Pauses so beautiful. The police department was there, at Uncle Booth and everything, and then we got a lot of stuff with the kids. This Kawaii studio set up a table there to get people to join. I have a different little classes and everything. It was Ghostbusters car was there. The Star Wars people, because I'm sorry before it made the 4th. Um, yeah, it was to sell like paintings and everything, and a little person that was selling like bullet art that was naughty. Yeah, like an artist did this, and this is Batman the animated series. No, this is Harley Quinn from the Batman animated series. And when I got this, it looked so sparkly. The meme did. Yeah, I'll cut it right there. You see how sparkly the meme is, and I loved it. So, and I think it was more. There's also a few truck that people see at the food truck and everything, but everyone was having a blast that when I saw it was them. Yeah, I went to a different way, like the street that like down the street from where the comic book store was. There's like a record store, and we were there to walk around. We were just like try to kill some time and hang out, and we didn't get to go there. This record store doing record um it's a record store now. Like a years ago, but we did it. We really looked at the CDs. I kind of looked at the records a little bit, but I looked at the CDs and everything. And the patches. I got more patches. After I posted my last video about my vest and everything, somebody got me like two patches for it, from my vest, and I put on my vest. I also got more to put on my jacket, my denim jacket and my denim vest. So I got that. I got this one. I have this on my vest, and I'll put this on my jacket. I also got this toy one. The one on my jacket. This go on the jacket, and these other two are going to go on the vest. One is well, it's just I have to wear them. And then the other one is basically coexist. And these look like they also I don't I don't know if I wanted to like I do store them on with blurry cloths and everything too. So it's like because I do, but that's what I have. That's what they go often, and that's what I do. I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Peace.